Hello everyone. I am going to talk about professional ethics in global issues. Ethics. Ethics or moral philosophy is a branch of philosophy and recommending concepts of right and wrong behavior. The field of ethics, along with aesthetics, concerns matters of value. That fields comprise the branch of philosophy called axiology. Ethics seeks to resolve questions of human morality by defining concepts such as good and evil, right and wrong, virtue and vice, justice and crime. Multinational corporation. Businesses in the present global society are carried on multinational or transnational corporation, most of which are based in developing countries. Multinational corporations or MNCs are business entities that operate in more than one country. The name multinational corporation is distinct from international corporation. Business ethics. The working environment should be comfortable and encouraging. The safety precautions and maintenance of organization are to be taken care of. The work and the skills of the employees are to be identified and encouraged for the development of the organization. A hierarchical procedure is to be followed, maintaining ethical standards for the execution of work. The product maintenance right from the precursor raw material to the dispatch of product should be done in standard procedure and influenced by an unethical issues. No tolerance should be there for any kind of unethical behavior or influences that affect the production and the organizational standards. To encourage the activities that promote social good and are environment friendly. Environmental ethics. Engineers need to show some responsibility towards the environment and should be ethical in their approach and find mitigating solutions for the protection of environment. Organizations should support the activities that promote environment protection. The environment ethics include the study of moral issues concerning the environment, moral perspectives, beliefs, and attitudes concerning those issues. Computer ethics. One should never use a computer to harm the people, to interfere with others' work, to snoop into others' file, to steal a computer or data, to bear false witness, to use or copy a software that you didn't pay for, to use or copy other software without compensations, to use others' intellectual output inappropriately, doing without thinking of social consequences of program being written. As managers, an engineer, whether he works individually or works for a company, has to go through some ethical issues, mostly under conditions such as conceptualization of a product, issues arising in design and testing departments, or maybe on the issues involving the manufacturing, sales, and services. An engineer is responsible in promoting ethics in an organization through framing organizational policies, responsibilities, and by personal attitudes and obligations. Honesty. Honesty is essential in building trust between an organization and its key publics. Nowadays, it's hard to see it. Moral leadership. Moral leaders are the individual who direct, motivate, organize, creatively manage, or in other ways move groups towards morally valuable goals. Leaders might be in position of authority within a corporation, or they might not be. Leadership can be shown by individuals participating at all levels of organizations. Sample code of conduct. It's just a few codes of ethics which are expected to be followed by an engineer of the particular discipline, that are NSPE, National Society of Professional Engineers, IEEE, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, AICHE, American Institute of Chemical Engineers, ASCE, American Society of Civil Engineers, ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ACM, IEEE CS, Joint Task Force on Software Engineering Ethics and Professional Practices.